How to create a group reservation. First, click on an empty space and the room plan. Then enter the arrival and departure dates. After that, select the room type. Here we're going to use 2 family rooms and 10 double rooms. If you click on the meal plan type, it will filter your choices, so we're going to choose breakfast. And then click on the rate code. Here we're going to choose BAR, best available rate. And now we go to the second step. We check the arrival and departure dates. After that, click on name, and we're going to search for the company and see if it exists. So if it does exist and we select that, it will fill in the information under parameter of reservation. We can change the information that's there or add to it as necessary. The last thing we need to do is fill in the number of adults per room. So we have different types of room and different room numbers. So we're going to put in the number of adults for each room. Once that's done, to finish, we're going to click on the green Create Reservation button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it.